Another awesome Rollercoin progression event is now in full effect, and it's really great and contains some great powerful miners. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so what I like to do with progression events when Rollercoin release them is I like to review them and show you all the miners and all the power that you can earn from such events, and also the bonus percentages that you can receive as well. On my screen here you can see my Rollercoin game room, and this is the SkyFI Metal progression event that is currently going on, and this has got until I believe another 5 days. There you go, and that's going to last until Wednesday of next week. So be sure to get cracking to get all the rewards that you will be seeing very shortly. So to get to a higher difficulty level in the game, it's 500 points, spend 1 RLT, except in the marketplace it's 1000 points, and if you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, that's another 400 points. So be sure to take these into consideration when you are actually progressing through the event. And if you do have multipliers, check out my other videos on how you can use those effectively and more efficiently to get you through the entire levels that you can possibly get through the event. Now, like I always like to do, I am going to bring up the list of rewards, and thank you again to Piero for this list, like always when new progression events do come out. So here is the entire list of the SkyFI Metal progression event, and we can see, if we just put it over here, that we have a total of 40 levels in this one. Okay, so there's a 40 levels in total, the most powerful miner being the Omni Nexus. Now, at first glance, when I went to this section here and I saw that the Omni Nexus had 326, and I said, is this the most powerful miner for this event? However, there is a nice additional bonus to this, and if we go back here, we can see that that is a whopping 6%, okay? 6% bonus to get that Omni Nexus miner if you get to level 40, and that would be awesome. However, what I wanted to point out for this progression event is that further up, you don't need to go that far down to get really powerful miners. Level 20, there is the Quantum Core X9 that will give you 850 terahash. That's really a significant amount of power, and also on top of that, a 1% bonus. There are some powerful miners here, okay? So level 17 again, there is the Patho Probe 21, 442 terahash. So again, you don't really need to get that far to get these miners, okay? You don't need to get to level 40. You'll get loads of power just between the Patho Probe and the Quantum Core X9 as well. Plus you'll be getting additional 1% for the Patho Probe and 1% for the Quantum Core X9 miner as well. So the bonus percentages start at around level 11 with the Minerlite 130. That will give you 130 terahash per second with a 1% bonus. There's also Fury Racks 3% bonus. There's a whopping 12% bonus rack further down here. Saw that as well. The Neon Rack 6. That'll give you a whopping 12% for any miner that you put on it, okay? So that's going to really help to boost your income. So if we see what the total power is, the total power that you can get from getting all of these miners and all of the rewards in this progression event is 5.8 petahash, 5,830 terahash. That's 5.8 petahash. That is incredible. And you can also get 23.5% bonus on top of all of that as well, if you don't already obviously own the miners that are on this list. But then again, you can always merge them and get them to uncommon stages and rare stages and epic and unreal, and you'll keep on increasing the bonus that you will get on those miners as well, okay? So that is really a significant amount that you can earn in this progression event, and that is pretty much all I wanted to share with you today, okay? So 5.8 petahash, 23.5% bonus if you manage to get all of those rewards. Now do check out my other videos on my channel where I do explain how you can get through the games quicker, and that will help you to save the time when you've got multipliers going on there, check out my multiplier video as well, and I'm going to leave a link to the multiplier video up above my head at the moment and in the description below this video as well, so you can check those out. If you have not already been on the Rollercoin game and you have not yet registered to the game, I'm going to leave a link to my referral link in the description below this video so that you can use that link and instantly get 1000 Satoshi as soon as you register for Rollercoin using my link. So be sure to use that link and register to earn 1000 Satoshi straight off the bat when you are registering to Rollercoin. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.